If you've never tried lasagna stuffed in garlic bread, don't worry, I got you. Make sure you watch the video to the end. I'm about to show you guys exactly how to do this step by step. All right, let's get to it. So you guys know I love doing my prep first. So we got to knock the prep out. So first you want to get you half an onion and you're going to dice that up into 1/4 cubes. You're going to place that to the side. All right, next you want to get 3 to 4 garlic cloves. You're just going to drop those down. Or you can use a tablespoon of the minced garlic. That works as well. I just like to dice my own garlic. It tastes a lot better. All right, and for your seasonings, you're just going to prep out the seasons that you see there on the screen. All right, so you want to get you some tomato sauce. I like Hunt's. You can use any tomato sauce you would like. Get you some diced tomatoes. Again, any type of diced tomatoes that you would like. If you find these ones, grab them. And lastly, you're going to need your tomato paste, all right? I use all the same brands. I'm weird like that. All right, if you don't know, always keep your prep close to you guys. We call it mise en place. You want to just keep it right next to wherever you're cooking. So you see my skillets right there. All right, so let's get to it. You're going to boil your lasagna. We're going to put the lasagna in there. Typically, the box says cook it uncovered for about 8 minutes, but we're going to cook this for 15 minutes because our baking process is going to be a lot different. All right, you're going to need a tablespoon of butter. All right, before your butter starts to melt, you're just going to add your garlic in there because you don't want the garlic to burn, nor do you want the butter to burn. So you just want to make sure it's just cooking on a medium-high heat. You just don't want it to burn it, all right? And then you're going to add your onions. We're going to sweat those down or cook those down for about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, next you're going to add in your protein of choice. I chose ground turkey. Then you're going to season it with the seasoning blend that we had put aside earlier. Make sure you get all of that in there. All right, now it's time to brown it. You want to brown the meat just like that. You just want to make sure there's no pink in the middle. Then we're going to take it out and we're going to strain it. I just got a plate and I got my strainer. I just like to do everything in the same area. You just want to strain out all that extra grease, as you can see. Then you're going to turn it back up on high heat. All right, now it's time to start putting everything together. We're just going to start adding in the rest of our ingredients. I added in my tomatoes, my diced tomatoes, and then you just want to make sure it's evenly just incorporated within the meat. So you want to just keep mixing. This process you see me doing right here, this is me adding 3 teaspoons of tomato paste, all right? The white stuff you see on top of the tomato paste is just, I put some oil on my spoon or on my teaspoon so that way, you know, it won't stick to it, just some spray. And then you want to mix that in there really good, all right? So just make sure that you just keep mixing until it's evenly incorporated like that. Then we're going to add in our tomato sauce. Another ingredient I forgot to mention was cilantro. Make sure you get you some cut cilantro or cut you up some cilantro. And this is how it should come out. Just like that, guys. Look at that. Only if you guys could smell it. I wish you guys can taste this, man. It was so much bold flavors in this dish. All right, go ahead and clean your area up. Place that to the side. And now it's time for the fun part. All right, get you some 2-ounce Italian bread or any type of bread you want. This is the one that will fit this ingredients. 2-ounce Italian bread. And as you can see, I just made some homemade garlic butter, which is just butter, garlic, and parsley pretty much. And you just want to brush it all around inside and all around it. It's going to taste amazing. All right, for those who love ricotta cheese inside of their lasagna like me, all I do is I put 1 egg, I put some parsley in there, I put some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little salt. And I just mix it in there really well. You can do that in the beginning. And then now it's just time to build. So I go meat first. I went with the protein first because I didn't want it to be noodle, then bread when you bite it or when you eat into it. So you want to go meat, then ricotta cheese, and then you want to go ahead and add in your noodle. And then you're just going to keep repeating that process as many times as you can. All right, look at this beautiful masterpiece right here. Now we're going to place that in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just keep a close eye on it, guys. You don't want to burn it, but you don't want it to undercook as well. All right, and this is how it should come out, just like that. Check it out, guys. All right, let's dig into it. Let's see what it's like in the inside to make sure that we are good to go. Look at that. Cheese melted. Everything inside is cooked properly. And oh my gosh. Guys, if only you could take a bite of this, and you will soon. Make sure you guys follow the recipe to the exact T, all right? Don't forget to follow Self-Made Cook. Give me a like and a share. You know, let me know what you think in the comments section. I appreciate all the love. And until next time, guys, peace out.